I started a faceless YouTube channel for kids and I got monetized with only 2 videos. I will show you how I made it exactly and I will give you a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure to watch the entire video. In this video, we are going to cover these 5 things. Create a new YouTube channel, making a logo and banner, how to create a script for our video, generate a voiceover, and of course, how to make our first video. But before we start, let me show you my channel. As you can see, I have 4,000 subscribers and here are those 2 videos. So one of them got almost 800,000 views and the second one 200,000. First step, create a YouTube channel. First we need to create a YouTube channel. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us name for our kids channel. As you can see, ChatGPT is generated a few names. I like this one. Second step, logo and banner. For this step we are going to use Canva. First let's create our logo. Since our channel for kids, we need to type here kids and choose one of them. I'm going to use this one. Now we only need to change the name. Perfect, our logo is ready. Now let's create our banner. Go back to home page and type banner. Again, we need to search templates for kids channel. I will use this one. Let's change the name as we did for our logo. Okay, so now our YouTube channel ready for uploading videos. Step number 3, script. Now we need to create a script for our video. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us YouTube video script for kids about farm animals. As you can see, ChatGPT generated our script. Step number 4, voiceover. For this step, I'm using free text-to-speech AI tool. Go to Logo AI, sign up for free. We need to go back to ChatGPT and copy first text. Now let's choose one of these voices.
Are you looking for the perfect voice?
This one is good for me. Okay, so we are going to use it for the text. Just copy and paste the script and this AI tool will generate our voiceover. Step number 5, editing. Now we are only one step away. This is the most important part of this tutorial. We are going to use Canva editor. So we need to read our script and match it with our video. So as you can see, our script starts by telling about the cow. So we need to go back to Canva and find the animated videos about cows. It's so easy to do. Just pick 1 or 2 videos and our first part is ready to go. That's all. So our next animal is chicken. We are going to do the same thing for all of these animals. Just find the animated video, add it to your timeline and your video is ready. I did the same thing for all of my videos and I got over 1 million views and I monetized my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials.